like a bad habit I can't kick. You light the fire that I can't resist. I swear I'd jump in the flame if that's what it takes for you to know my name. And you pull the salt on my wounded heart. If you think you're safe, you're just not that smart. Just 'cause I'm down on my luck, I won't give up, not that easy. You'll soon believe me, 'cause I'm gonna steal your heart and all of your love. Take your kisses, but they're not enough. I want everything I said, everything you are. I'm gonna steal your heart. I want the sweat dripping down your spine. I want the hours to take their time. I want the glow of the moon to light up your room till the morning after. I'm like a thief knocking down the door. Give me a taste, I'll come back for more. I want us all tangled up when our eyes are shut and we're barely breathing. This could take all evening, 'cause I'm gonna steal your heart and all of your love. Take your kisses, but they're not enough. I want everything I said, everything you are. I'm gonna steal your heart. I don't care about your money, I don't care about your fancy cars, 'cause I'm gonna steal